If you are still printing documents to sign them, or you're scanning, emailing documents back and forth to get signatures, there's a much better way. So what if you could request secure, legally binding signatures right from within the document that you're already working in? Google Workspace already allows that through Google Docs. This isn't an add-on, it's actually a secure, easy-to-use solution already built into the platform. This was released a couple of months ago, and it's been working really well. So the first thing I want to show you is you've got your sample document laid out. Let's say this is a vehicle bill of sale. We've got a seller and a buyer. And to request e-signatures, I can go up to Tools and e-signature. This feature does not exist if you are not a Google Workspace subscriber. If you have a standard Gmail account, this doesn't exist. You do have to have a Google Workspace subscription to use this feature, this business feature. Your signers, however, do not need to have a Google account at all. They don't need to have Gmail. They don't need to have Google Workspace. It can be any email address anywhere in the world in order for them to sign. So I'm going to go ahead and click on e-signature, and it pops open that right panel where I can adjust my sellers, my buyers, all the people who need to sign this document. So I've already set up my template with a few samples here for my seller, John. And if I want to add a buyer, I just click on the Manage Signers, and I'm going to add another signer. So when I want to insert the signature parts of the document for my second signer, I'm just going to click the drop down here and change to Mary Jones. And I want her to type in her name. I can also click on the field, right? I want to insert that field there for Mary, as well as the text field for her phone. And I'm going to scroll down. I need her signature as well. So I'm going to choose the signature field, and then I'm going to choose the date signed, which it will auto record when she fills out this document. Once I'm ready, I'm just going to click on Request e-signature and fill in their email addresses. Each of them are going to get a copy of the document, and it will only let them fill out the fields that are assigned to them. I've entered in John's email address, Mary's email address, and I'm just going to provide them a basic message. And I'm going to say Request e-signature. So the non-Google user receives a new email, and it says e-signature request. And then because I'm not a Google user, Google just wants to verify that I am the right person who should be opening this document. So it does send me a second email with a verification code. I need to enter that verification code here so that I can access the document. So now I can see that I have specific fields on this form that I can fill out. Once I add my information here, I can click on e-sign. And hit Adopt and Sign. Now that both parties have signed the e-signature document, I receive an email confirming that the signature is completed. So I get a copy of the PDF, which can also be found in my Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and click and open it and take a look at that. So here's the best part. It was super simple, right? Super simple for us to initiate and super simple for our signers. So they don't even need a Google account. You can click send. With a few simple clicks, they fill in the fields, adopt their signature, and finalize the document. No accounts to create, no accounts or softwares to download. It's just simple and secure. So you automatically receive a finalized and locked PDF copy, and this completed contract is secure, professional, and it's all handled within Google Workspace. So the point of these videos is to make the world a more productive place, one training at a time. Click to subscribe or watch more of our Google Workspace tips. Have a great day.